What's up, everybody? It's day 4 at Disney. It's our last full day here. Tomorrow we leave, but we have a little bit of time in the park in the morning. So Oz and I are at
Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom. Got in a little bit early because of being on park. We're gonna rush to Flights of Passage. It's an hour wait right now, which is totally worth it. But I want everybody to see my favorite view of walking into any park when you walk in. The Tree of Life. You can tell everybody's going to Flights of Passage.
Yeah.
Because, you know, there's not a lot of rides here right now. There's only a handful of rides, and right now, Expedition Everest is closed for refurbishment, so we're pretty limited on rides today. So we'll probably be able to knock out this park, you know, before 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then we'll figure out what we're gonna do after that. Let's do it. Just got done with Flights of Passage. Austin, what'd you think?
It was incredible.
Is it your new favorite ride?
Yeah. Oh man. You feel like you move and breathe a bit.
Yeah. I've ridden that ride a lot, and it's still amazing every time. Love it.
I just scored us a lightning lane for Kilimanjaro Safari, so let's run over there, jump on that, because it's the perfect time of day to see some of the animals getting fed. So that means everything's going to be out.
Busy day so far. I've already ridden Flights of Passage. We went to Dinosaur, saw Tough to Be a Bug, and then did a Kilimanjaro Safari. Now it's time for lunch. I got beef bowl with noodles. And I got this Moara beer from Pandora. And Oz is already scarfing his face with his noodle bowl and his dessert. What do you think, Oz? How's it taste?
Good.
You like it? Mm-hmm. All right. I already know I like this, but this is one of my favorite places. My favorite quick stop to eat here at all of the parks. Satuli Canteen. So if you're in Animal Kingdom, make sure you stop here for sure. So that was a fun, laid-back day. Animal Kingdom, we did everything we wanted to do, and then some.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go back, relax for a little bit at the hotel, maybe explore the hotel a little bit, and then go back to Disney Springs for a nice dinner at Enzo's Hideaway. Because what kind of food do we want to eat tonight?
Italiano.
Italiano.
This was my first time staying at the Port Orleans Riverside and any Port Orleans as well. I haven't stayed at the French Quarter yet, so hopefully that will be another one that I get to check off. But this hotel was incredible. It had just been refurbished and just reopened since the pandemic, so there's hardly anybody staying there. The restaurants were great. Having Yeehaw Bob for entertainment at night was incredible. And the rooms were so fun and themed so well. The beds had these really cool firework displays that went on the headboards, and there was really cool princes and princesses throughout the room, and just a lot of really neat decor in there as well. And like every Disney resort, there was a great arcade. So Austen and I went over there, played some games. He made an example of me and beat me at pretty much everything we played. But we had a great time. And in true Star Wars fashion, we had to close out the trip with another little lightsaber display in front of our hotel room. Obviously, that was our favorite part of the trip.
All right, that is a wrap. We had a fun 4.5 days here.
It was awesome.
It was amazing. We had an amazing hotel here at the Port Orleans Riverside. So great. But now we have to do that thing that everybody has to do on Disney vacations, and that's
the leaving part.
Let's go home. It's everybody's least favorite.
Yeah.
But thanks everybody for hanging out with us this week.
Oh.
Make sure you leave in the comments what your favorite part was and what your favorite park and ride is, or whatever you want to comment.
Yeah.
Right here. So I'm the Derek Frank. This is Austin.
What's up?
We'll see you next time.